If you're experiencing issues with a stuck update for CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. Try restarting your router or switching to a wide connection if possible. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the game client completely and reopen it. Sometimes, simply restarting the application can resolve update issues. Make sure to check for any prompts or notifications that may indicate the update is still in progress. Step 3. Clear download cache. Navigate to the settings of your game client and look for an option to clear the download cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that might be causing the update to hang. Step 4. Disable background applications. Temporarily disable any background applications that may be using bandwidth or interfering with the update process. This includes VPNs, download managers, or other games that may be running simultaneously. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the update remains stuck after trying the previous steps, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can ensure that you have the latest version and that any corrupted files are removed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of a stuck update. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.